Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna introduce a new project into my makeup routine, and that is the Bandos eyeshadows. I've never done this project, but I kind of decided to try it out and see how I'm gonna go and see how I'm gonna do. And hopefully, I'll be able to get some new pans into my project pan palettes and just use my collection a little bit better. So hopefully you will enjoy this journey with me, and without further ado, let's just jump right into this. Also, in case you're new here, hi, my name's Sasha. I love indie makeup, I love colorful makeup, I love eyeshadows especially, and lately I've been really enjoying the project panning and all the kind of use it up challenges and stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited about this one, and I hope it's gonna go well for me. But for today, I kind of decided to pull out all of my project pen palettes and palettes that eyeshadows that I kind of wanna use more. Maybe just kind of create new space in my collection, because I have a couple magnetic palettes here as well, and I would kind of like to use up a couple of the shades to have a couple magnetic pens spare in case I want to like mix something up, franken something up, or just play with my collection. So the ones that I have here are the Tinkerbell, the Sprinkle a Little Magic by Colourpop. Then also this palette, which is not the Earth palette, but I'm storing the green shades from Merry Christmas palette by Uden's Eye. Then Liana by Shelly Makeup, and I also have one shade from the Merry Christmas palette here. Then these mini charms, this mini charms palette by Beauty Bay that I have on my project pan. Then my Pokemon palette by Colourpop, because it's a magnetic palette, and I would kind of like to get some space in this and be able to use a couple of the pans as my spare magnetic pans. Then I also have the MIYO the Frog's Tales palette. A couple of the shades in here, two of them actually, are from my from the Merry Christmas and Christmas Eve palette by Uden's Eye, and then the rest are just the original shades from this palette. But I would like to use this palette more, and hopefully maybe even use up the shades that are from the Uden's Eye palette. Then I have Masomana 2 by Uden's Eye again. It's a project pan, and then I have a couple of the depotted shades from the Christmas palette in this magnetic pan, in this magnetic palette, and I also have 3 little shades here that that were on my project pan last year, and I wasn't able to pan any of them, even though 2 of them are super close. So maybe that way we could finally pan them. So I'm just gonna pull up my like the random number picker on my computer. I will do like a screen recording so that I can show you the footage, and we're just gonna pick, I think, 5 shades, 4 or 5, we'll see, but I think it's gonna be 5. And I'm gonna just quickly get that ready, so wait a little minute. Okay, so the wheel, like the random number wheel, is ready, and we can start now. By the way, in case you're interested in what I'm wearing today, I have the Bitten palette from Gourmand Girls. This is my second look in my review video with this one, so that's just to let you know. And by the way, I've written all the shades on like a paper, and we have 93 eligible shades from all of these palettes and the depotted ones and stuff like that. So yeah, let me just put in there 93 and we can start recording. So I'm gonna show you what the wheel looks like, and you can get the minimum and maximum number, and then you just hit spin and you're good to go. And we'll see what it's gonna pick for us. I'm super excited. This is just so much fun, and I love these wheels, that they just make me so happy. So we have number 58, and 58 is the shade Think from the Colourpop Tinkerbell. So that's pretty exciting. I'm gonna pull it up in a second, but we're gonna finish the random number picker. That's probably not the right word, but yeah, we're just gonna finish this. And the next one is, and I'm glad that it's the Tinkerbell. I kind of want to hit pan on that. So next up is 92. Oh, that's right at the end. 92 is Idol, so that's the little cosmetic single shade. So maybe I'm gonna be able to finally use it up. Or at least like hit pan. So that's gonna be super, super fun. And let me kind of change up the screen a little bit. Okay, so then for shade number 3, we're gonna get number 6, which is from the Udden's Eye Salmone, and it's the Meteor. So that's really cool. Then number 4. So shade number 4 will be number 17. And 17 is the MIYO palette, and it's the shade Fairy Dust. And I think we're gonna do another shade, and it's gonna be the last one. So the 5th shade that we're gonna pick is gonna be, okay, 60, number 60. Number 60, that's also Tinkerbell palette, I think. Yes, it's the Neverland, which I think, no, it's not the last shade. It's gonna be one of the more bottom shades, I think. So those are all of our shades. I can't wait to see them. Like, this is gonna be so much fun. I can already tell. So first we had the, I'm gonna get the Tinkerbell palette. At least, actually, let me, okay, I have to put a couple of things around. So the first thing that I have right next to me is the Idol shade from Little. So we're gonna put that over here, and it's like a, it's an ideal panning shade because it's inner corner, and I can also use it as a highlighter. It's a white base. Let me try to show you. It's a white base with like almost like a blue-green shift to it. I hate that I can't see what I'm filming and I have to like look in the mirror, but yeah, this one, I mean, you can see it's just so beautiful. It's a wonderful formula as well. So that's that one. Let me actually take this somewhere else. And I think since we also have the Tinkerbell, I have this empty magnetic palette from Udden's Eye. So I think I'm gonna, the ones that are magnetic, I'm gonna store in this so that's easier for me to use them. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So that's Idol. Then I have the Salmone right next to me, so we're gonna get the Salmone palette. And it was the shade Meteor, which I don't remember. Yeah, it's the purpley shimmer. And this one, like, it doesn't have pan yet, but it's kind of closer to pan. So I feel like this one should be pretty easy, and I want to have another pan in this one. This one is more like a topper shade, and honestly, it looks wonderful as a highlighter too. So I'm gonna be able to like multitask with this one, which is wonderful because again, that kind of helps with the whole panning process. Let me actually create better spot. This one was kind of like, okay, sorry, my camera stopped recording. But this is the shade Meteor. So you can see like it's very taupery purple. And it's gorgeous. I love this one. And I think it's gonna be pretty easy to hit pan on, which makes me very, very happy. So that's the salmon. Then I have the Tinkerbell right next to me. So from Tinkerbell, we had the shade Think and Neverland. So I actually have to be super careful because I accidentally dropped this palette the other day and a lot of the shades shattered. So the shade Think already has a big pan, but the shade Neverland doesn't. So I think the shade Think, since it already has pan, I'm gonna use it either until I'm gonna completely use it up or until I'm gonna hit 20 uses. I think 20 uses will be kind of my like a roof where if I feel like I don't enjoy the shade anymore and I've already used it 20 times, I'm gonna allow myself to roll another shadow. So this one's gonna be either 20 uses or completely using it up, and the other will be hitting pan or hitting 20 uses. I'm gonna show them to you um in a b-roll because I have to fix a couple shades. I've noticed that one of the mattes cracked as well since the last time I've opened this, so I don't want to like really ruin anything. But the shade Think is this one. It's a really beautiful green, like kind of mid-tone green. And then there's the shade Neverland, which is a little bit darker green. So let me put it over here. That's not the best swatch. Let me actually try it one more time. Okay. So this darker green on the bottom, like this looks really pretty. And we have all shimmers. I mean, the ColourPop shades are not really shimmery. They're more like my base color. And I use that in the outer corner a lot. But, or on my lower lash line. If I don't want to have like a fully matte lower lash line, but also I don't need to sparkle too much. That's the one that I usually go for. And then we have the Frog's Tail by MIYO Makeup, and it's this one. And we have the shade number 17, Fairy Dust. So, Fairy Dust, Fairy Dust. I can't reach. Oh, it's right at the. Oh, it's this one. The again shimmer, but I guess that's gonna be pretty easy to pan because shimmers usually take less time. But it's kind of like a rosy champagne color, so I'm gonna put it right underneath the Neverland. This one, it has a bit of green in certain lights, like it's slightly duochromy. Maybe you can see that it's like pinky goldy green. So these are the shades we're gonna be working with, and as I said, the goal is either hitting 20 uses or panning it. If I'm gonna hit 20 uses and I'm gonna be close to pan, I'm still gonna continue. If it's gonna look like the pan will never show up, I might just find another shade and we're gonna roll another shade. But yeah, these ones, super happy. And in my original list, I've included shades from these palettes that are that have pan, because I just kind of, if it has pan, then the rule is just either I use it up or 20 uses. So I feel like it's not really a problem for me. Like it's not an obstacle that I can't tackle. So yeah, I'm pretty happy, and I think it's really nice start to the project that I have all shimmers, because obviously it's gonna be pretty easy, or it should be pretty easy, and it's gonna, I guess, motivate me for the rest of the year. I hope I'm gonna be able to hit some of these in like a month's time if I'm really gonna try. I do have a lot of things that I'm currently focusing on because it's the end of the season, and I usually like to have some uses in my seasonal palette before I wrap up the season. So I have a lot of winter palettes that I've only used like once or twice during the whole winter because I had so many things to review and stuff. So I hope, fingers crossed, that I'm gonna get to them at like the end of the month or beginning of next month, and hopefully we'll have some kind of progress then. But that's kind of everything for today. Enjoy this little project with me, and wish me luck for the next couple months to successfully pan all of these. But definitely let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if you participate in this kind of project, or if you know some kind of similar project that you would like me to try and get into. I don't know, lately it's been kind of everything I consume on YouTube. If I actually have time to like watch a video, it's usually about like pen that palette, pen those eyeshadows, you know, frankening shades and depotting. Like, that's pretty much all I watch. Lately I wasn't really into like reviews or anything, and I think that's also because I don't want to watch a review of something that I might want to review. So then I'm kind of like, yeah, it's just annoying and weird and whatever. But definitely let me know if you have some kind of projects that you would like me to participate in. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll be super happy to see you with another one tomorrow. So bye.